Shut up and sit down.
Welcome to Dirty Hoe Gardens. And today, we have a very special episode for you. As we have a response from this legend that I have in front of you here, 420 scene. Also, Rob from CLTV is going to make an appearance later in the video. Let's see what 420 scene had to say about our latest video. Link's going to be in the description of the video, by the way.
Below. Also, to the dude making videos trashing me just to chase some clout, bruh, all I'm gonna say is I never made videos bashing anyone else, so you might want to try something else, but hey, your jabroni ways are just making me famous, so have at it, my man. On to the...
Now this is funny because this is the guy who will not let you comment anything remotely negative or constructive criticism on any of his posts. He deletes everything. Like, even remotely, you get on his Discord, he'll delete everything on the Discord. There's nothing allowed. I mean, you got to just kiss this guy's ass or the comment is deleted.
Shut up and sit down.
So, and I don't think I was bashing him. It's not like it's a personal act. Just trying to give good information. You gave really bad information. And I countered that with actual good information. So, not a personal attack. I'm just trying to get good information out there. Because you and yours give really bad information. They're causing people not to grow. You're causing people to grow bad weed. And then it's making them quit. So, I'm just trying to get some good information out there to help growers grow. I wasn't just bashing to bash. I explained the bad information you were giving and then gave good information. It was a helpful video. Again, link in the description. Now let's take a look at one of my favorites. Rob from CLTV. So here we have Rob from CLTV. I think this is Rob's vlog channel. He must have got word. And I'll give Rob credit for one thing. He doesn't, like with 420 scene, he deletes everything, and he'll leave comments, and he'll even, he'll even spar back and forth a little bit, which I appreciate. But let's see what Rob has to say.
The number one thing that's holding most growers back in most of this community: ego. People are ego tripping, man. Too many people ego trip, and a lot of people have a good grow and they feel like their good grow is the best grow. It's the only way to grow. So if you're doing it a different way, well, it's not successful.
Okay, there's a difference between being able to grow many different ways and having a successful garden. It's fine. Totally understand that. But when you cannot grow, you have a bad grow, and you're telling people bad information, that's different. That's something else.
It's not good. Or if you have a cultivar that doesn't produce as large a...
The cultivar, here we go with his fucking... This, he's always on this cult... He uses these tag words all the time. Cultivar. His headbanger is finicky. When he says something's finicky, that means he can't grow. Like, everything's always finicky to him. Everything's fucking finicky. His headbanger is finicky.
The headbanger in particular, this headbanger that I've grown, the headbanger in particular, this headbanger that I've grown, that strain is so damn finicky, man.
Buds as others, well,
You suck.
or if you have one that turns more purple versus one that doesn't, well, you fucked that one up. Now, this is just a misconception, and it's a common misconception. It's a logical fallacy, actually. I totally understand. But at the same time, did anybody ask for your fucking opinion? Hater. And I'm not talking to you, because I know you're a cool person, but I'm saying to the hater, to the actual person who's
I like that.
really just out to shit on somebody else's garden. There's literally YouTubers who are attempting to make a career out of just being a fucking troll, just talking shit about people's gardens. Instead of trying to do something positive for the community, people will be negative and they'll interject with negativity.
So he thinks his bad information, he thinks him spreading his bad information to the masses is being positive. That's not being positive, brother. You gotta give good information. You give bad information, you're a bad grower. 420 Scene is a bad grower. At least 420 Scene, I think, knows he's a bad grower. But Rob at CLTV, he really believes that he's a good grower. He really fucking believes this. And he gets really butthurt, and he gets his ego hurt when somebody, you can look at his comments, lots of people know he can't grow. Lots of people talk shit. And a comment, like, look at the comments of this video right here that he's look what he's doing. People know he can't grow, but he really believes that he can grow, and he thinks he should be able to spread his bad information to the masses, and that's a positive thing. That's not positive. What I'm doing is positive. I'm pointing out your bad information. Not yet, but I got videos on you coming. I'm pointing out bad information and giving you the correct information. Okay? I'm not just bashing the bash. I tell you what's wrong, and then I tell you what the correct information is to fix it. That's positive.
And I think that really boils down to having ego. Whether it's that they're insecure or that they really...
It's his ego. He is so insecure about his shit he grows.
They do think their shit doesn't stink, and they think that everything they're doing is the best, and that's cool too. That's cool too.
It's not.
What's that? Oh, what's the term I'm looking for here? He's projecting what he's doing. He's projecting all of his insecurities onto someone else, because everything he's saying is him, his insecurities, his ego. This is all him. I'm gonna psychoanalyze this douche. I mean, I shouldn't.
No, it's not.
But again, the best way to help our community is to lift our community and to elevate our community. So the more people who are helping other growers, the less we have to rely on big commercial facilities with mid-grade booth for 60 and 8. Your ego should show in your work. Your ego.
Okay, that's about it. There's another thing here that maybe a lot of you don't know about, but Rob at CLTV and CLTV and their crew, me, go back a long ways. Back in the days of Michigan. Okay? I don't know if you know this, but Rob used to be a rapper. Yes, Rob and CLTV, they used to be a rap group. Rob, Trey, CLTV crew. And we used to get into it back in the day, and they did this diss track about me. You know, Rob, he's kind of that poor man's Eminem, I like to call him. But let's take I got some footage from back in the day of Rob and Trey and CLTV crew doing a diss track about me. Let's take a listen.
I fuck with savages, you a fuck boy, you can't hang. You can find me posted up on Frank Block with my fucking gang. You ain't really bout shit, stay out my spot, don't speak my name, or I pull up in your block at night wearing all black and let that 40 bang. I fucked your girl and I ain't even try you, that little hoe, she a fucking thot. Got her off the molly, now she rollin', all she good for is giving top.